Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Who is that? Sally! Haha! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Harley! Cool! Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah! Dinoco King helicopter! Yeah! Oh, this is Serge! Yeah!
Reporting for duty.
Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Kinds of stunts.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Cool! Chick Hicks! Yeah! Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Spit him out, you overgrown varmint!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
The wheels! And forward! And rest! And forward!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah!
Order in the court.
Ringo! Haha! Look at these guys! Frank! Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
No!
This is Mack. Wow.
Make the manufacturer.
Oh, cool.
Very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Take a good look at Francesco now. Once the race begins,
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
I think I touched a nerve.
Oh, who is that?
Get through that, McQueen! Oh, a huge crab!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Down.
Not so fast. You seem hard.
Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
I'm speed. Float like a Cadillac, sting like a bee.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
This is awesome!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Hey. Yeah. No, not really.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah, Cruz Ramirez.
The wheels! And forward! And rest! And forward!
Wow, Dinoco King. Dinoco King helicopter. This is Mack. Wow.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss.
Wow. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Order in the court.
Ringo. Haha. Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah. Look at this. Bulldozer. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow. Dinoco King helicopter. Yeah. this is Search. Yeah.
Reporting for duty.
Tomater. Wow. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Queen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about.
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Spit him out, you overgrown varmint.
Oh, this is Search. Yeah.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
This black pavement, these yellow lines are pulling us into the night.
Who is that? Sally. Haha. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Tried slamming him into the wall.
Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Wow, Dynakakin. Yeah.
You know then?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
This is Mack. Wow.
You're here! Thank the manufacturer, you're alive!
Matt?
You're here.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Later! Ah, ow!
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
I am me!
Ringo. Haha.
Yo, Wingo! Lane change, man! Right back at ya!
Look at these guys. Friend.
reporting for duty. Very nice.
Order in the court. Seems like my mind has been changed for him.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
That's just just gonna be going.
You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
ghost
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?